fucking new glasses. Not offending anyone. So, today we're going to be showing you how to take off and put on a cap. So, we want to get inside Allen key. A white Allen key, like finger one, white, to untighten this, to untighten the hole. So as soon as you get it in and start be able to turn it, it'll be easy. Share if you like pick and mix. As soon as you've untightened it, sometimes you should be able to hear it click. Not just to prove that I've untightened it, look. So, there you go. Time to off. So, to clamp on, put it like, you don't whack it like really hard with a hammer or something. You get your hand to start it, and that's a fail. Get your hand, and like get it straight and go. Like that, lad. Fucking hell. Yeah. Then you've done that, you fucking get this skateboard and then you can just you fucking put this on, then you go try to put it on. Where can you get Hannibal off? Fucking that. Clamp down as tight as you can! Hold. Ryan, did you solve it? I want to be strong for this shit. Like me and freaking. You know what time it?
She's not in.
Wait, look.
She's
Yes, she's in.
No, she's
Wait, lads, shut up.
She's actually not.
So,
Ending.
make your handlebars straight. Then after you've done that, you want to check if your head's straight.
What? She's at my granddad's.
Straight up your arm and get that shoulder.
What charger? Need it. No.
So, when you've done this, you're going to want to see it starting. Mine's not down, it's just really solid. So, then, go.